Hi guys, with another video. This is the wall watch, and doesn't work. And of course, I'm gonna to fix it. Yeah, first things first. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just turn it back, and there's so many screws here. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. I'm gonna take all this screw out, then can go ahead and repair this watch. I'm gonna use the screwdriver, this flip screwdriver right here. This is the one. Take it out. Put to safe place that you cannot lose it. Here, the second one. Third one is coming out. Right, and here you are. Fourth one. This watch always stops. I don't know, I said, what's wrong with it? And I decide to fix it. Of course, you have to put always a new battery, but sometimes even though you put the new battery, it doesn't work because of some dust maybe goes inside and got stirred. See, we're gonna take it out this way. And what we're gonna do, this, we have to take it all this part, pull it, just you pulling with the hand, also gentle way, just pull it, see, second, sorry, and this is also with the